Hey, welcome to Painted By. Today we're going to paint this little bear, a little cute teddy bear. But before we get started, if you guys could please subscribe so that I can continue making these free tutorials for you. Okay, here is the list of the supplies we're using for today's painting. Let's grab our pencils and get started. I am going to draw kind of like an oval laying on its side for the face. And then two ears coming up top. Make this one a little bigger to match the left side. Let's grab our brown paint, any color of brown that you want. And I'm going to do kind of swirly paint strokes because I don't want it to be completely even. My bear is going to be fluffy. If you want to do straight lines and straight edges, do that. It's going to have your style and it's going to be perfect. I want mine to look fluffy, like I want to go cuddle it. So I'm going to do these swirly marks, swirly brush strokes. It's really just circles all the way around. And then fill it in. Perfect. All right, you guys ready for this? We're going to do a little bit of an advanced trick. I'm cleaning my brush off in my water, grabbing my clean paper towel and drying the brush off all the way. Now I'm going to grab my dry brush and make a circle in the lower part of his face. And I'm going to pick up this watercolor pigment. This way, it's just going to look lighter. The nose area of the bear is going to be lighter brown. I'm going to go over and over and over again until I like it. Every time completely drying off my paintbrush. Okay, I like how that looks. Now I'm grabbing my pink, which is red with a lot of water, and I'm just dropping it in this wet paint. This is called wet on wet. If your brown is already dry, then go ahead and just paint some circles on top for the cute rosy cheeks. Now we need to let this layer dry and come back when it's completely dry. Okay, now let's add the details. I have a micron pen, which is just a really thin kind of marker like. You guys can use a marker or a pen like this if you don't have one. Now I'm going just above that light brown area that we did, and I'm going to do the eyes. And I'm leaving a little bit of a white spot for the reflection on the eye. Just a little like hole in the eye. And it really just makes your drawing or painting pop. I'm filling it in. All right, let's work on the nose. Just another oval again laying on its side. Also leaving a little bit of white spot for the reflection on the nose. Now coming from the bottom of the nose, we're going to do a little almost backwards J and a forward J coming down. Just like that. I'm going to outline the ears and the face on this bear, but I don't want it to be straight lines because I want to show that it's fluffy. So I'm going to do these small curved dash lines. Doesn't need to be perfect. Don't stress about that part here. Just like that. And this is the part where I stand back and I kind of look at it. You know, I'm kind of thinking my cheeks aren't popping very much. I'm going to grab some more of this pink color and I'm going to go on top of those cheeks again. And then actually I'm going to do some darker brown on the ears as well. So let's get to that. Now, if you're feeling frustrated at this point with your painting, try it again. The first time is always the practice. My paintings, I always practice a couple times before I actually do it, especially these new techniques. Our paintings are supposed to have our own individual style, so they should look different. But if you want more practice, start the video again and do it again. I love how those ears are popping now. That was a good choice. Okay. Now, nobody would know who this was painted by if we did not sign our names. Go ahead and do your initials, first or last name, wherever you want. Guys, I love it. Thank you so much for painting with me today. Bye.